Hello, Blind Travel Foundation. This is Bradford Manning, the older brother, some say better brother, of the two blind brothers. And you may already be asking yourself, Brad, it looks like your shirt might be off. And yes, it is, and that is not to scare people. It is because I had an idea. I had to make a quick video here to talk about two blind brothers, to thank Mike and everything he's done, and to, show our support for the Blind Travel Foundation. And then I thought, what does the Blind Travel Foundation stand for? Well, it stands for pushing your limits. It stands for getting out of your comfort zone. It stands for trailblazing, about kind of showing that we can go out into the world, push boundaries, come back and report. And so how can I demonstrate that on video? Well, my brother got me an ice plunge, and I hate cold water, and I've been staring at this thing for like days, and I thought, you know what, if I'm gonna do it, why not do it for the Blind Travel Foundation? So I'm gonna show the temperature here. This thing is cranked down to like 39 degrees. So let me try to do this, and I have a few more things to share. All right, let's go. Here we go. Oh God. So we started Two Blind Brothers like 10 years ago because, I think what occurred to us is that you could take on that label. It wasn't like 100 years ago where, or even in some places today, where if you're lucky enough to have a vision impairment, that it meant you were almost removed from society. And so when we had the chance to put out Two Blind Brothers and be public about it, it meant something to us. We had fought those battles growing up. And so, I think the same thing about the Blind Travel Foundation. There's a lot of organizations out there that really try to, support, show need, recognize that we have to have empathy for and services to help sort of level the playing field. But there's another element, which is, what about the other side of the equation, where we get out and we inspire, create aspirational lives, point to something great that creates enthusiasm. Both sides of the equation are important. It's important to make sure people get what they need, but it's also important to generate that enthusiasm. I'm not low enough. Whew. And so I think that's what it's all about. And I love that Mike has put this together, and I'm inspired by what he's doing. It was a good inspiration for me to do this crazy thing my brother got me. So all the best. Happy to be a bronze sponsor. Happy to see people go on their own adventure. All the best to you guys. Wish I could be there in Austin. Now it's time to get out.